DJI has just unveiled the Osmo Action 6, but the big question is, could this be the ultimate action camera of the year? From extreme durability to ultra-smooth 4K footage, DJI promises major upgrades with this release. But does it really live up to the hype when tested in real-world conditions? In today's review, we'll explore everything from design and build quality to image performance, stabilization, and the intelligent features that matter most. Whether you're into vlogging, sports, or travel, this camera might just change the way you capture your adventures. Stick around till the end as we find out if the Osmo Action 6 can truly beat its competition. And before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to Gadgetverse for more tech reviews that help you make the right choice every time. Design and build quality. The Osmo Action 6 continues DJI's rugged and compact tradition, now with a sleeker frame and improved waterproofing. It's rumored to handle deeper dives without needing an external case, perfect for divers, surfers, and outdoor thrill seekers. Release date and price leaks suggest the Osmo Action 6 will hit the market between August and October 2025, with prices starting at $329 for the standard combo. Premium bundles including extra batteries and accessories are expected to range from $479 to $579 battery and durability. This model is said to pack a stronger, more efficient battery for longer recording times, even at higher resolutions. With fast charging support, you'll be ready to shoot again in no time. Plus, enhanced waterproofing and heat management make it a tough and reliable companion for any adventure. Stabilization. Technology, one of DJI's biggest selling points, is the RockSteady 4.0 stabilization system, delivering buttery smooth footage in extreme conditions, whether biking, skiing, or running. Horizon Steady keeps your shots perfectly level even when the camera tilts, giving you distortion-free, cinematic visuals, intelligent shooting modes. The Osmo Action 6 comes packed with features designed for creators. Time-lapse and hyperlapse for dynamic storytelling. Slow motion up to 8x and 4K for cinematic playback loop recording, so you never miss the action. Horizon balancing to keep every frame stable. With these modes, both beginners and pros can create professional-looking content with ease. User experience. From its responsive touchscreen to seamless DJI Mimo app integration, the Osmo Action 6 is built for convenience. Voice control, Wi-Fi sharing, and intuitive menus make shooting and editing faster than ever. Video and image performance. This camera shines with 4K at up to 120 FPS for crisp slow motion, plus an upgraded sensor for better low-light shots. HDR video delivers richer contrast and colors, while still photography captures sharp 1280p images with impressive dynamic range. Conclusion. The DJI Osmo Action 6 isn't just another upgrade. It's DJI's bold statement in the action camera market. With next-level stabilization, stunning video quality, and rugged durability, it's ready to challenge GoPro head-on. Whether you're a filmmaker, vlogger, or adventurer, this camera is one of the best investments you can make in 2025. Thank you for watching Gadgetverse. If you enjoyed this review, hit the like button, drop a comment with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more in-depth reviews, guides, and tech insights. Stay tuned, stay creative, and keep exploring with Gadgetverse.